Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to talk about the 2022 Toyota Tundra EV overview. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. The Toyota Tundra lineup now includes a Toyota Tundra Hybrid, which is a first for the brand. An all-new iForce Max powertrain, which combines a 3.5-litre twin-turbo V6 gasoline engine with an electric motor, is used in the electrified version of the vehicle. In addition to 437 horsepower, the hybrid powertrain generates 583 pound-feet of torque. The power is sent to the wheels through a 10-speed automatic transmission. The motor is powered by a 288-volt nickel-metal hydride battery that is positioned beneath the rear passenger seats. The majority of the power delivery is accomplished at low engine speeds. Once the pickup speed exceeds 18 miles per hour, the engine continues to run indefinitely to keep the vehicle moving. Toyota has stated that it does not intend to introduce a diesel version of the Tundra. The Tundra Hybrid, according to Toyota, is a good fit for future diesel customers. A statement from Mike Sweers, Executive Chief Engineer of the Tundra, revealed that he enjoys diesel engines and would have liked to see one offered in the lineup. However, as a result of the Volkswagen Group's Dieselgate crisis, the certification process for a diesel engine in North America has been extended to 3 years. In addition, the hybrid engine, which is not being supplied by Lexus, has a faster response time when compared to a diesel engine, according to Sweers. A solid combination of economy and power is expected to be provided by the Toyota Tundra Hybrid in 2022, according to the EPA, with an anticipated fuel efficiency of roughly 30 miles per gallon. The official fuel economy data or business estimations have not yet been released by the manufacturer. The maximum payload capacity of the third generation Tundra is 1,940 pounds, which represents an increase of more than 11% over the previous generation truck. The all-new Tundra boasts a maximum towing capacity of up to 12,000 pounds, which represents a 17.6% increase over the previous generation. However, as Motor Trend points out in its article, this is not possible with the hybrid model. The maximum towing capacity of the hybrid type, on the other hand, is only 11,450 pounds, which is not far off from that figure. The Tundra Hybrid is, without a doubt, one of the most sophisticated Tundra models to have been produced to date. Motor One has driven it and reports that, while it doesn't feel like a performance truck, it has plenty of torque and responds to inputs more quickly and smoothly than the gasoline-powered model does. It's quiet, and it provides a pleasurable driving experience, which is exactly what you'd expect from a hybrid vehicle. There is only one drawback, and it is a minor one that can be easily resolved once one has become accustomed to the pickup's operation. The braking system is far too responsive, which is because regenerative braking increases the stopping power of the discs. According to Motor Trend's assessment, the hybrid model's additional 48 horsepower and 104 pound-feet of torque do not translate into a much improved overall performance. The review also points out the disadvantage of an oversensitive braking system. Tech buffs may be disappointed by the lack of special graphics that depict the flow of power or the regeneration of energy. There is a significant disappointment in the lack of an electric vehicle mode, although Toyota likely determined it would not be of much use to most customers in their daily driving habits. Manufacturing. Toyota's Tundra pickup truck continues to roll out of the company's San Antonio, Texas plant in the United States. In a press release issued on December 3, 2021, Toyota revealed that it had begun production of the new Tundra at the factory, which has an annual production capacity of 208,000 vehicles. According to a story in the San Antonio Express News, Toyota is dealing with a semiconductor chip shortage, but the company is attempting to keep the San Antonio facility operational so that the 2022 Tundra can be delivered on time. It is prioritizing this factory over other American semiconductor chip manufacturing facilities in terms of semiconductor chip allocation. In September 2021, the Japanese carmaker was forced to reduce global vehicle manufacturing by 40% as a result of a shortage of spare components. Exterior and interior. It's better now. The new Tundra is still big and bulky, but it looks like it has slimmed down compared to its predecessor, which was slow and clunky. It makes a lot of progress from the old model, with large touchscreens built into a dash that can be made out of walnut, leather, and other warm materials. The new Tundra comes in crew cab and extended cab bodies with 4 doors. The grille of the new Tundra is shaped like an omega. The new truck is a little wider, about 2 inches taller, and about 4.7 inches longer, with the short or standard beds, or 2.2 inches longer with the long bed and extended cab. It's also a little taller. 7 grille options, like honeycomb or slat, separate the different trim levels. The top TRD Pro model has a light bar next to the Toyota nameplate. TRD Pro models have a wider track and bulging fenders that make them wider than other models by 1.4 inches. This makes them 81.6 inches wide, which is 1.4 inches more than the other models. At the front and center, federal law says that 3 amber lights must be on. This is the same for heavy-duty trucks, such as Ford F-150 Raptor and Ram 1500 TRX. A horseshoe shape would make the arms look like they curl over the ridged hood. It's time to work those biceps. If you have standard LED lights, they match the big blocky fenders and make the truck look bigger. A character line is recessed in the lower half of the doors, connecting the bulging fenders and squared off wheel cutouts. There are 8 new 18-inch or 20-inch wheel designs to choose from, and they come in both 18-inch and 20-inch sizes. You can open a power liftgate by bumping a switch next to the driver's side tail light. You can also use the key fob to open it. In the car, even when it has the large 14-inch touchscreen, its wide, muscular exterior will still resonate across its horizontal dash. This is even true even if the car has a large touchscreen. It has plastic D-shaped vents on both sides of the screen that look like ears. Horizontal climate buttons and a large volume knob make it easier to control the temperature and the volume without having to touch the screen all the time. The plastic vents on the dash, on the other hand, look bad. Owners should get used to it in a few days. The icons that show the toggles for temperature and fan speed are hidden below the touchscreen. It has a wide center console with wireless smartphone charging, padded armrests, and other soft touch materials on most trims. The gear shifter is in the middle of the console. Performance. If you want more power, you can get the 3.5-litre twin-turbo V6, which has 389 horsepower. It can also make the tyres on the standout 18-inch wheels chirp. There is no turbo lag because there are 2 turbos. Peak torque comes on at 2,400 RPM. It moves a lot faster than you'd think because it's so big. In the 2022 Tundra, crew cab models weigh between 5,400 and 5,700 pounds, which is a little more than in previous years. You won't even notice the 10-speed automatic transmission going from one gear to the next because it moves so smoothly. It's easy to see when the cars are passing each other at cruising speeds though. To get the power that it needs, it takes the transmission a while for its overdrive gears to shift down into 7th or lower gears. If you want to buy the 2022 Tundra, you can get a hybrid that makes 437 horsepower and 583 pound-feet at 2,400 RPM. A motor generator is sandwiched between the engine and transmission and gives the engine extra power while driving. The hybrid system also powers engine stop-start, regenerative braking, electric assist, and EV driving at speeds under 18 miles per hour, but only when the car is moving. It's quiet at low speeds and on the trail, but it's faster and lighter on rubber than the base V6. There is a hybrid powertrain that comes standard on the TRD Pro, and it can be added to limited, platinum, and 1794 models. In the Tundra Hybrid, there is a 1.87 kWh nickel metal HYDRIDE battery pack under the rear seats. The only thing that cuts down on space inside is that the hybrid doesn't have any under-seat storage for the rear seats. What do you think of our video? Let us know your favourite part of the video in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to like this video and hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.